question number 23 is asking us if these two functions are inverses of each other. And we can tell if they are if we find fog and goff, and if fog and goff are both equal to x, then the original two functions are indeed inverses of each other. So for fog, I want to write the f function, but with a open parentheses, and then plug in the g function. And then I want to simplify, and this will be x plus 2. So that is not good. Let's look at g composed with f of x. And if we simplify that, we really can't. I mean, we can rewrite it without parentheses, but that's about as far as we can simplify it. So that means that no, these original two functions are not inverses of each other.